How to create a simple subscribe button with Fusion in Davinci Resolve. Go to the Effects panel and click on Effects. Drag and drop a Fusion composition in Timeline. Move the playhead above the composition and open up the Fusion page. Add a rectangle mask and a background node and connect rectangle to background and background to the media out. Select the background node and in the inspector, change its color to a red color. Then select the rectangle, change its width and height, and increase corner radius. Now let's add a subscribe text. Drag text plus node and release it after the background node when the line turns blue. This will merge the text with the background. Select the text, type subscribe in the text area and change other properties based on your needs. Now we have a subscribe button. You can go back to the edit page and use it. Now let's animate this button. Drag a transform node after the merge node. Move the red playhead to the start of the composition. Click on the diamond button next to center and decrease center Y value until the subscribe button is out of the frame. This will create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 10. Set center Y value to 0.5 again. This will create the second keyframe. You can see that my composition is 140 frames. Move the playhead to 130, 10 frames before the end of composition. Click on diamond button again to create a keyframe with current value. Move the playhead to the end and decrease center Y value until the subscribe button is out of the frame. And now the subscribe button has some animation. Go back to the edit page. Select the composition and at the bottom of viewer click on transform. Move the button to the bottom of the video and adjust its size. Now you can drag the composition into the media pool and use it in future uses. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.